Hi everyone, welcome to North Jersey Living. I'm Ross Hyman. Greg and I shot a video probably a couple months ago in Passaic, New Jersey, and it was a condominium that was for sale for under $200,000. We haven't produced the video yet because we were just unsure how we wanted to present it, but we thought about it a little more, and we decided that it's going to be a good video for you guys to see what you get for under $200,000 in northern New Jersey. So we'll let you decide. Please, if you have any comments, leave us a comment about it. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're looking to buy or sell a home in northern New Jersey, please give us a call or email us or text. Our information is below. And if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us. We're on the 20th floor of Carlton Tower, and we're in one of the studio apartments. Now, this is a very rare opportunity to get an apartment with a view of Manhattan with a private balcony, and it's under $200,000. It's an unbelievable value. To find an apartment like this in Manhattan would cost you 3 to 4 times the price. And this is only about a 35-minute to an hour commute, depending on the time of day, to Manhattan. You've got a train nearby, walking distance. You've got buses just outside the doors of this building. And lest we not forget, this is a 24-hour doorman building. So you've got that feature as well. The amenities here are tremendous. We're going to show you the swimming pool. There's an outdoor swimming pool. There is a gym. There are laundry facilities in the basement, which are not unlike what you'd find in a professional laundromat. So this building is a tremendous value. You can get into a property like this for under $200,000. That is near unheard of. As you get closer to New York, it gets more and more expensive. So on top of that, when you take a look at the view, which we're going to show you, you have beautiful tree spotted skyscape. I guess that's what you call it. You've got all kinds of foliage and a beautiful view. It's almost like you're on top of a mountain. And in the very, very far distance, you can see New York. Today it's a bit hazy, so we're not going to be able to see it incredibly well. We'll try and get the shot for you so you can see how close you are. But we're only about, I don't know, I'd say we're probably about 10 miles from Manhattan. So this is an incredible value, and if you're looking to live in the New York metropolitan area in northern New Jersey, and you're looking for something that is a good value where you don't have to spend $500,000 or more, this might be a great option for you. So let's take a look at the rest of the apartment, and if you like this video, if you'd like to see more like it, please like and subscribe below. Feel free to call us or text us. Our number is down below as well, or schedule a video conference with us. And if you're moving in 6 weeks or 6 months, we're here to help. Greg and I will be happy to take care of your real estate needs, even if you're selling a property in the area or if you're moving to the area. We look forward to talking to you. Let's take a look at the rest. We're here at the Carlton Tower pool, and I want to show you what's behind me, which is the beautiful in-ground pool, beautifully maintained, surrounded by lounge chairs. We've got a pergola back there. There's beautiful landscaping. This place is meticulously maintained. And behind the camera, which we'll show you, we'll do a spin around when we're done with me talking. You've got barbecues, you've got a beautiful landscaped area behind us, you've got benches, and of course there's a number of places to relax and gather in this space. This is open from Memorial Day to Labor Day, so you have access to the pool during those times. But this courtyard is available to everyone year-round, and it's a great place to gather with friends and family. A great amenity for a building like this, it's such a beautiful building, and it's at a very reasonable price and not too far from Manhattan, so you're getting a lot for the money. Essentially, you're getting more than what you get for a comparable rental in the area, because this building has the pool, the gym, and all the other facilities here. So this is a great place to come to take a look at if you're looking to buy in the area of Passaic, New Jersey, and this is one of the amenities you'll get. Let's take a look at what else it has to offer.